Hello, dear traders. Welcome to another price analysis by Mars Signals. This is Ari. It's my pleasure to be with you once more. We are with you with the 4-hour time frame of BNB, USDT, and this is the bat pattern which the price has created. There was, before the half of this bat pattern, you can see this. There was this resistance line. The price hit it here. Here was rejected, came down again. Eventually, it was broken in this area, turned it into support. Half of this bat pattern was almost completed. The price went up. Then it had a little bit of range here. You can see the price came down, went up, tested this resistance, came back down to the middle of the channel, went up again, tested it, came close to the bottom line of this channel, and it went up, and eventually after some sort of a little pullback, a fake breakout here, the price was able to break this range and went up. It eventually completed this bat pattern as we have drawn it for you here, and had a little bit of correction here and went up. Now we can identify a support line for the price. If you look closely here, this line was previously the support line. The price is now broken. You can see it supported the price here, here. The price was supported, but eventually in this area, this line was broken. And now this can be considered as the resistance line for the price. The price now has broken this resistance line. We can identify another resistance for the price, which would be here. It is completely obvious. This resistance is completely obvious because you can see that the price has shown reaction to this zone a lot. You can see there are many candles by the price, all of which are rejected. Now the price has broken this previously support line and it will come down. The first support we have in mind for the price would be this area. If we want to draw it, it will be considered a support zone for the price. This would be the first support zone for the price on the way down. We expect it to come down to this zone, but before that, it is very likely for the price to make a pullback to this area and then come down. And you can see this zone is also the confluence between two resistances as always. Therefore, it is a very, very strong resistance area. We expect it to go up a little, hit this zone, and if it is rejected from there, we expect it to come down step by step, and then reach all the way down to the support zone which it has. Therefore, we are bearish on this pair, and we expect it to come down. We can enter the short position after the price hits this zone, and if it is rejected from that area, we can enter the short position. And you can put your stop loss a little above this area in case the price goes any higher. And your target would be this support zone which we have drawn here. If under any circumstances for the price to come down, it needs to show reaction, to be rejected in this resistance zone, just like previously, like here. If it goes and stabilizes above this zone, then the bearish scenario for us will fail, and we'll enter the bullish phase for the price. We will update our price analysis in that case. If the price come down to this support zone and this support zone is broken, we expect it to come all the way down to its next support zone, which would be in this area. This would be the next support zone for the price in case the first support is broken. This is our price analysis on Luna USDT. We hope you have enjoyed it. This is the 4-hour time frame. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions, ideas, suggestions. We are eagerly waiting for your valuable comments. If you want to join our VIP Telegram channel, you can get our past results and daily crypto news and many more in our free Telegram channel, as well as on our YouTube page, as well as on our Twitter page. In our YouTube page, you will not only get price analysis but also the past results on our open signals too. Thank you very much. We wish you all the best of luck. Take care.